Hey, what's up everybody? My name is Dr. Marcella Wilson. I'm a computer science professor and an AI expert, and I love Christmas. Do you love Christmas? Do you love the holidays? Today I want to talk to you about how you can use AI to supercharge your marketing, how you can use AI to spend less time on your marketing and just blow it out of the water. So you're going to learn how to supercharge your marketing, but spend less time doing it and spend more time doing what you should be doing during the holidays, which is having fun, celebrating, and spending time with your loved ones. And you can do that with AI. So I've been researching AI for years on the university level, and now that it's come to the forefront, I help business owners learn how to use AI to save them tons of time and money. And I like to talk to business owners because I used to have a Shopify store, I used to have an Amazon store, and I know the struggle. I know the grind. I know it, and I know how AI is just a game changer. But anyway, it's Q4. Q4 is the most wonderful time of year for business owners. Some business owners, the Q4 sales account for anywhere from 30 to 50% of the year sales. And even if it doesn't count for that much, like if you're a new business owner, you'll more than likely see more or increased sales during this time because it's Q4 and we're dealing with Black Friday and Christmas. And it's great because everybody is in, not only are they more festive and they're in a holiday mood, but they're ready to spend their money. They are in the mindset of spending money. They're in the mindset of looking for unique products or buying gifts or buying things for themselves and for other people. Because I don't know about you, but when I go Christmas shopping, like, I get stuff for myself too. So even if you're like, I don't have anything to sell. Yeah, you need to ask AI, what should I be selling? And then you need to sell it so you can make money. But anyway, what I want to talk to you is about how you can use social media to boost your sales this holiday season, right? Social media is a grind. Like, let's not even get it twisted. I know the struggle of spending hours and hours thinking, coming up with ideas, creating the content, writing the captions, researching hashtags, downloading images. It took up so much time. I was a slave to my computer. But you don't have to do that because ChatGPT can do all that for you. Well, ChatGPT is my AI tool of choice. I should say artificial intelligence can do all of that work for you. So even if you don't have money for like paid ads like Facebook or Google or whatever, if you don't have money to promote your products and services, you can use AI to create social media campaigns for you, and it'll help you, get your products and services out there so that you can get sales. So Q4 is a really, really important time for business owners. But let's talk a little bit about why social media in general is so important for business owners. So if you don't have a social media, any social media feeds, and you have a business, you definitely should get that set up immediately because we're almost at Black Friday. So why is social media important? Four quick reasons. One is because it builds brand awareness. Social media can reach a wider audience than you can, sending out emails or whatever. You can have a post that goes viral. And if you post consistently, you'll grow your audience and you will get brand recognition. You can establish your brand all just by posting on social media. Number two, why social media is important for business owners. It's a direct channel to engage with your customers. This is golden. You post things, people can comment, people can ask you questions. You have a direct line to your customers. It's two-way communication. We are so lucky to live in this time and age where this is possible, right? And you communicating back and forth with your customer builds trust, builds credibility, and they're more likely to buy from you. Okay. The third reason why social media is so important for business and sales is it drives traffic and sales. You can showcase your products and services. You can do anything you want on your social media channels. So you can promote it and you can sell directly on social media. You can say, DM me and I'll send you the link to buy. So easy. Also, you can direct traffic from social media to your website. Like if you have a Shopify store, or an Amazon store, you can just direct traffic right to the site where they can buy. So it's really important because you can drive sales, and that's why we're in business anyway. So the number 4 reason why social media is important for business and sales is it helps you stay competitive in your market. And the beautiful thing about social media is it doesn't matter how big or small you are. It's like everybody's on the same level. Your job is just to put the content out there and, and get it. And another thing, I know I said 4 things, but I'm going to give you another one too. Another reason why social media is so important is you can immediately see what works and what doesn't. So if you post something on Instagram, nobody comments, doesn't get any likes, doesn't get any shares, that doesn't work. But if you post one reel and it goes viral, you're like, oh man, that's great. I can post more like that. So it's kind of like immediate feedback on products, email sales campaigns. You get that immediately. Okay, so why is AI such a game changer for social media? Well, because it saves you a whole bunch of time. Artificial intelligence can help you brainstorm for products, services, bonuses. It can help you brainstorm sales campaigns, email campaigns, anything dealing with social media, it can do. It can tell you what captions you should write. It can suggest images. It can create images for social media. It can customize content for different platforms like Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn. It can do all that for you in mere minutes. So why is anybody out here doing social media when AI can do it for you? I don't know. I don't know. If someone is out there doing a social media on their own, stop them. Tell them to use AI. Fire your social media manager. Or if you're a social media manager, yeah, you need to use this for your clients. Okay? So if you are not sure what AI is, or if you're not sure what artificial intelligence is, because I get this question a lot of people are like, well, I'm interested, but I'm really not sure what it is. Artificial intelligence is basically a robot or a computer that simulates thinking. This is not the Terminator movies. Robots and machines will never, break free and become like human. No. What they're doing is they're looking at past behavior, or they're looking at data, and they're making predictions on the future. So it's really amazing. So it seems like it's thinking, but it's just making a prediction of what comes next. If you type into ChatGPT, which is my AI tool of choice, if you type in twinkle twinkle little, it's going to pull from its data pool and know that the next word is star. So it's predicting what comes next. It's predicting what comes next based on past behavior or data it has. That's it. So you want to use AI because it saves time. It can do a lot more than you can. It can produce a lot more of content. I remember people would be like, you got to post on Instagram every day. And I was just like, there's no way I can't. Then it was like, you got to post on Instagram 3 times a day. And it's like, what? That was just too much for me to do by myself. But AI can do that in a snap, in minutes. So let them do the hard work while you reap the benefits. So for this holiday season, you can use AI to come up with sales campaigns, festive content, even products or services that you can offer for your customers. Put it on social media and just, see what happens, which is hopefully watch the sales come in. So I do want to let you know that I have something to help you out this season. So if you are not familiar with ChatGPT, or if you are, I have a Sleigh Your Sales kit. What is this? This is a digital kit that you can download specifically for the holiday season. I have prompt templates where I have prompts that you can just copy and paste and put in ChatGPT, and it will create holiday content specifically for your business. I have Canva image templates that are festive, that are holiday themed, that you can just, download and put directly on your, Instagram or Facebook feeds. I have a content calendar for the holiday season. You just plug and play. So it is a downloadable kit that you can get right now where you can slay the holiday season. You can slay the sales. You can go on ChatGPT and get it to create emails for you or create holiday content for you. But if you struggle with prompting, which I know is a thing because we've all experienced prompting, trying to prompt, and it, doesn't give us exactly what we want. That's because prompting is a skill, it's a science. And I do have trainings on that, but more on that later. But if you kind of struggle with prompting, or you're new to this, you don't know how to prompt yet, and you are like, I got to get this stuff done, my holiday marketing done, I've done it for you. Download my Slay Your Sales kit today and slay the season. Guys, so if you like this video, please like it, please share it, please subscribe to my channel. I love talking about AI. I love talking about AI as it relates to business. And if you have a question, please drop it in the comments. I respond to all my comments. I am wishing you the best holiday season, the best Black Friday ever. And also, I'm wishing that you would spend quality time with your loved ones, that you would recharge, rejuvenate, relax, relate, release. You will have the most amazing holiday season ever, and you'll let AI do all of the hard work for you while you reap in the benefits of the sales. God bless. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.